Here's a hike in Santa Clarita off the 5 freeway out of Ed Davis Park. Dale gets us started walking along the trail. It wasn't the greatest day, but this is kind of typical of the countryside. Mostly open hills with bits of green trees here and there, along with occasional rock outcroppings, even with people standing on them. Some more of the typical countryside. And then a surprise, some oil seeping out of the ground. But this is an oil-producing area. This is the Towsley Canyon area of the Santa Suzana Mountains. And a gray day it is as we make our way along the trail, with more misty hills in the background. Most of it is open country, but it's still a pleasant hike. And then a last look at the hills beyond. In case we don't get back, looks like a vulture ready to take over.